Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make old-fashioned German potato salad. I love German potato salad. It's so much better to me than the American version. Instead of having a creamy mayo base, it has this light vinegary mustard dressing that's just so good. And it's super simple and easy to make. We're gonna head on over to the stove and get started. Pour 2 pounds of diced red potatoes into a large pot of boiling water. You want to make sure they're cut into small bite-sized pieces. Let these boil until they're tender, about 10 to 12 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to fry some bacon. I have a pound of diced bacon that I'm going to put into a cold skillet and get that heating over medium heat. Let the bacon cook until it's nice and crispy. It takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook the bacon until it's crisp. Once it's crisp, you'll remove it from the pan and put it onto a paper towel lined plate. Now you can drain off some of the grease if you'd like, but you need to leave at least some of the grease in the pan. Then we're gonna add in 1 diced red onion and saute this for about 5 minutes. Now while the onions are cooking, we should be at the point where our potatoes are done. So we're gonna go ahead and drain those and pour them into a large bowl. Once the onions are soft, we'll add in all of our flavory goodness. You'll need a 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And we'll mix this all together. Give that just a minute or 2 to heat, and then we're going to take the sauce and pour it right over the potatoes. Then we'll add back in our bacon that's nice and crispy, as well as a 1/4 cup of freshly chopped parsley, and toss this all together. German potato salad is served up both hot and cold, so you get to choose whether you want to eat it right away or pop it in the fridge to chill for a couple hours. Either way, you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.